In this video, I'll show you how to create or make an account on EverSkies. So what you need to do, install the app or download the app on your device. So I'm going to open up mine. So I'm going to click on continue with Google right now because I don't have an account yet on EverSkies. So yeah, I'm currently using for test tutorials. I use this mail for educational tutorials. So I'm going to click on continue. So I'm going to wait for it to sign in or for it to load up. So it's currently creating my account on EverSkies. So this is it. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the very next video. So if you followed my lessons, you're going to be able to create your account. So just click on the create account. You can be able to create your account right away.